Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So the markets were a little bit shaky last night after Fed Chair Jerome Powell did state that he will not cut rates this time around. And now traders are looking towards the March meeting for the data from now until that period to see if there's going to be any more of a rate cut. He did say that there is a strong labor market. Unemployment remains very, very weak. However, there's still this problem of inflation, and if it's going to keep on pushing higher away from the Fed's 2% target. So a couple of months to go into the next interest rate decision, but at the moment we're just seeing a little bit of a sell-off in the markets in general. Let's look on the S&P first of all, where we saw price action start moving a bit higher to cover this previous gap that we saw. So that was quite a good look on the chart. However, this 6,000 area is now being a bit more of a support resistance area at the moment. We're just seeing a little bit more of a slide into that kind of area. Let's just take a look on the hourly chart actually, because as the news came in, as you can see, we did see a bit more of a look, and this is when the news was announced. So we had this kind of really downward spiral and then another uptick, but now it's a little bit weighed down because of the weekend gap that we saw. So we're just waiting to see now if price action is going to start picking up, especially on the indices, and this is across the board. See the NASDAQ as well. As I said, it's actually looking from our previous analysis. We're just waiting to see if this gap can be covered, because that will be a very strong indication if there is a big resolve in the market as well. So just hitting a bit of resistance now, roughly at the mid 21,000 area for the NASDAQ, but we're just waiting to see if we're going to have more of an upside push. On the Dow as well, we're just seeing that no gaps in the market, but as you can see, very big spikes in the market, very undecided market as well. You know, at one point you've got the Fed saying that there's good labor market, but they're refusing to cut anymore. It's a little bit hawkish from the Fed, and this looking at the next round of data, and they're waiting to see if inflation is going to start creeping lower towards 2%. And on the other side, you know, you've got a lot of traders being a bit hesitant that there is a recovery in the American market at least. So lots to get through today. Obviously, we've got the European Central Bank decision as well, that they're going to cut their rates by 25 basis points. So quite a big reversal from the American central bank to the European Central Bank. We are expecting to have a few of the euro pairs fluctuate quite significantly if there is a bit of a surprise by the panel, especially in the press conference afterwards. So it's not only the announcements, it's also the press conference afterwards that can shake up the markets as well. So if you are trading any euro pairs or any euro stocks, just be wary that we can see some volatility for quite some time after the European Central Bank interest rate decision. So that's just something to keep an eye out for. So if you have any comments or queries, questions, this video will be posted on our Telegram and YouTube channel as usual. So stick with us, stay ahead, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.